It is a very common problem that the radishes don't get so much bigger, even sometimes they don't make radish bulbs. Therefore in this video, we will discuss about the reasons why radish plant not forming bulbs. It is caused by number of reasons, but here I will show you the most common reasons with their solutions, so keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most common reasons of small radishes is the seasonal effect. Radish plant is the winter days plant that likes to have a cool environment. If you are trying to grow them in summer days, then they wouldn't make radishes. Radish plants require slightly cooler nights to get bigger in size. For solving such issue, you have to grow them in their season. Grow their seeds in the early winter days, so they have the whole winters to get bigger in size. Next thing that affects the size of radishes is the medium in which you are growing them. If the soil mixture is compact and hard, then it also became harder for the smaller radish bulbs to get bigger in size. In a soft and loose soil mix, radishes grows very healthily. Make sure your soil medium is loose, so the roots can develop. A well-draining, loose and fertile soil mix is very important for root vegetables. You can also use my vegetable garden soil recipe from the description video. It works perfect for the radish bulbs. I have also made an article on growing radishes in containers, that is added in the description box and on our website 𝑃ureGreeny.com, you can check that later. Growing radishes in containers requires extra attention because they are growing in a limited space, therefore we also have to add nutrients time to time so they can grow well. Proper fertilization is also an important thing that affects the size of radish bulbs. Low in nutrients soil don't let the radish bulbs to get bigger. Such type of extremely small and thin radishes are the results of nutritional deficiency in the plant body. It can be caused by competition of nutrients between the neighboring plants, or may be due to the unfertile soil mix. This deficiency can be fulfilled very easily by adding a nutrients-enriched fertilizer in the radish containers every 10 days. Radish bulbs requires extra energy when the bulbs are getting bigger. The best fertilizer for radishes is that which contains phosphorus and nitrogen in larger amounts. You can add vegetable garden liquid fertilizer that is specially formulated for the vegetable plants, according to their needs. Such type of fertilizer videos are added in the description box and I button, you can check that. Last thing that is also a very common reason of small radish bulbs is the stress and shock. It contains several problems, like you have transplanted the radish seedlings recently. Then it can cause stress condition on the plant. That can be recovered from this stress, but sometimes it makes the bulbs smaller in size. If your plants are weaker from the seedling stage, then it have a high possibility that radishes will not form bulbs. Such type of weaker plants must be removed from the starting. These weaker plants can also be due to poor quality radish seeds. Another thing here is the spacing issue that makes radishes not to form bulbs. If the radish seedlings are too much closer to one another, then there is a higher chance of competition of nutrients between them. Both the neighboring plants fight with one another for nutrients. Every radish plant must be grown 3 to 4 inches away from other plant. It ensures a healthy root growth of radishes. If you are growing radishes in containers, then consider putting them in a larger container, so they can grow well. So these are the main reasons of why the radish plant not forming bulbs. If we sum up the whole video, right season is important for bigger radishes, compact soil mix don't let the radish bulbs to grow, fertilizer can make them bigger, space the seedlings correctly to ensure a bigger harvest. For any question, comment below. And if you wants to know how to grow radish plants from seeds to harvest, then check out this video.